Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we're gonna do a little video on replacing some light bulbs on the Yukon. We're actually gonna upgrade from the factory bulbs to some Vled LEDs. So this one here is for the headlight, the Evolution, and then the Limited is a smaller one for the fog lights. So anyways, I've already done the one side and got it all done. The one main thing I was going to show you guys is this little panel in here. We got to knock this out. Just all we got to do is take off the perimeter bolts and clips, and to get access to the last bolts for the headlight here. It's actually located like right here in the fender well, and then that allows us to gain access to the fog light as well. The fog light's an interesting style, how it comes apart, but hopefully I have a better understanding on this one, because basically that old bulb I just broke apart just so I could get the dang thing out. So anyways, I'm gonna get all set up here, and then I'll show you which ones I got, but let me show you what we're going from and what we're going to. So granted, this is just gonna be a little short video, nothing spectacular. But I figured if I was out in the garage, I might as well show what I was doing, right? So anyways, this is what you got here. Fog light, headlight, it's that yellow tinge, and then that's what we got over here. So I mean, those are a heck of a lot brighter. And basically what provoked me to do this is I was up in North Dakota driving around at nighttime, and you're clear out in the middle of nowhere. You don't have any city lights or town lights or even street lights most of the time. So it's pretty dark out there on some of these roads. So my old work truck, I had a light bar on it, and I only used it when I was off-road, but it gave me better clarity. But before I went that route with this Yukon, which is a nice vehicle, I just wanted to do this and see how it works. So anyways, give me a minute. I'll get set up with tools and stuff, and then I'll show you what we have to take out here in the inner fender. I've already got the bolts all undone up here. I've got the grill undone. So basically all I have to do is get that inner bolt, and then we'll do the fog light when we're down there. So I'll be right back. All right, now that we got some light down here, so we got 7mm there, 7mm there, clip right there, 2 clips down here, clip right there. I think, yep, that's it. So that'll be enough just to get it pulled off to the side and give us plenty of room to access inside there. So anyways, got my tool sitting here, got it lit up. So let me get these clips out and we'll get the bolts out. And I'll pull this panel back and I'll show you what we got inside here. All right, so got that panel pulled back. I just push it back up against the wheel, and there's the fog light. And then that little guy right there is the bolt that we gotta knock off. Well, actually it's a slip tab. So all we gotta do is loosen that and it'll allow us to pull the headlight out. But on this, that white piece, the white ring close to the light, is what I'm trying to figure out. And I think you just push those two together. Last time I tried to pull them out. So I think all you do is push them together and it pops right out. So we're gonna give that a shot. We'll get that one out, get the fog light in, and then we'll get the headlight loosened and get it pulled out, and then I'll show you what we got going on there. We gotta do a little bit of modification. So I'll be right back. So yeah, this little light, I think you can see it there as you push these in. Sorry, I'm shaking. So as you push these tabs in, it releases from it, and the new bulb is the exact same design. So you just actually slide it in, and then it's got its little power unit on it. Get up off the ground. Whew. So this one here This one, so it actually plugs in. It's got those little clips on there, and then the light connection plugs right in here. And it's funny because it has these tabs to release like this, but it doesn't need them. Anyways, so yeah, this is the fog light. That's an old headlight. And then they each have their LED drivers on them. This one on the headlight, so I'll show you when we get in there, but these tabs right here interfere, so I had to trim it down a little. But that whole ring comes off so you can index the light perfectly. And it's held together by these 3 O-rings. So these are the, like I said, the Vleds, and they make a hell of a product. And see, as that's in there, you can twist it where you need it to index it. So I'll show you more of that when we get to that, but I'm gonna get this fog light pushed in real quick, and then all I gotta do is pop out the headlight. I already got the tab loose, or the bolt on the tab, so we'll get that popped out. I'll pull it all the way out, and then I'll kind of show you guys what I did to. I wish I would actually speak into the microphone or into the camera. Wow, struggling tonight. Anyways, we'll get to that in a minute, so I'll be right back. All right, as you can see here, so where the headlight goes, it has this rubber seal around here. It's hard to see with the camera, but this is like concaved in. So you got these 2 metal tabs. As you go to put this in, they don't let it seat down. So all I'm doing is taking over the grinder. I'll grind those tabs down until it'll let me slide in there. So it's not very much, I just gotta take a little bit off. And then I'm hoping I'm wrong, but I may have forgot to plug in this wire here on that side, so I may have to take the headlight out on the other side. So we'll see. Once I get this back in, I'm gonna kick on the turn signals, and if they don't work over there, that's the problem. So anyways, I'll get this ground down, show you what it looks like, and then get it back in there, get this back together, and we'll see if everything's working, and we'll kind of go from there. So I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, just grinding those down just enough, and I still think I gotta use pliers just to spin it a little bit, but I'll get some pliers on there, but you can see how it clears a heck of a lot better now. So anyways, I'll get the pliers out, just twist that tight. We'll get the light in, get it indexed, get it put back in, and turn on all the lights, make sure the blinkers and flashers and all that work, and then we should be good. So we'll get that going. We'll be right back. All right, as you can see, they're a heck of a lot brighter. So I don't know what's going on over here with this marker light. So I'll probably have to take that back apart tomorrow and see if I unplugged it somehow. It's connected, it's looped to the actual turn signals and hazards, so I'm not sure what the heck, but anyways, not a big deal. Pull it back apart and check it out. So anyways, if you guys like this short little video, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and come along on the journey. We'll see you in the next video.